What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Jordan 11 release day. I'm actually skipping these Jordan 11s, but I did want to get you guys the info. I did want to get you guys some news regarding this. Let's go see what's up. It's about the time. Getting Easter Bunny pictures. That's funny. Let's see what's up with the Shoe Palace right here. They usually do get plenty. So I don't know. Maybe they'll have them out. Let's see. And then, yeah, I didn't think they would get enough raffles to have enough, or get rid of every size. But yeah, they do got them. That's the size 8 right here. And the reason I like seeing these things in person, look at that. There's like a little bit of university blue on here. I was not aware of that. That is fire. I'm not getting these, man. I just got too much stuff recently. And I just picked up some other shoes that you guys will see in a day or two. Oh wait, did I already show that one? I don't know. Yeah, I think I did already show that. No, not yet. But yeah, so but yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Yeah, I'm gonna skip these. If you didn't get the cool gray 11s, maybe. If you didn't get the cool gray 11s, this is the size 8. This looks like, I thought it was grade school because it looks so small. Then it came in grade school as well as whatever. This is preschool. They do got them. Then we are moving over to the Jordan section. They got these. Look at this. This is the Jordan Hydro 4 Black Thunder. Is that what they're calling this? But yeah, these are supposed to match the Black Thunders. These are dope, dude. I love the Hydros. I just ain't paid $65 for them, but I do have, I think I have like 7 or 8, 9. I don't know. I have a lot of these. But I was picking them up for like $20, $30 way back when. Way back when, you used to be able to find these on sale all the time at Shoe Palace. I used to grab a bunch of these. But yeah, $65, is it worth it? What do you guys think? These are fire. I have a few where I have the actual slides and then I have the actual Jordan Retros too. And it's dope having both of them. Let me know what you guys think. Like, these are fire. I'm such a fan. 65 though. 65 though. Damn, those are fire. And then, to be honest, the rest of the J's kind of stuff that we've seen, all stuff that we've had. You know, do got these bad boys right here, the citrus, but all stuff that we've seen. To be really honest, I did come here like a week ago. All right, we did take a thorough look at the men's section just last week. So let's take a look at a bunch of the grade schools. Look at how many J's they have. Goes all the way from the top all the way to the bottom, all unique J's. This is insane. Grade school version of the reimagined 3s. These are dope, dude. This is a size 4. The women out there, man, y'all don't need to pay resale, man. Just saying, if you have grade school size feet, that's what's up. Got the Chicago 2s as well, 6s. More of these 6s. This came out a while back and these just didn't really catch on like that. Not one of the OGs, so you know, I'm not too into them. Do got the Aquas, the Afro Beats 7s. Do got the Cardinals. Women's sizing up top, the Laneys. Got the Hyper Royals. We've been seeing these at quite a few spots. These are fire, dude. I'm just not into pony hair or whatever hair you call these. Just not into the hair material, but yeah, $180 for this. Is a size 8 right here. They still got the 11s, which is fire. I do like the smoky bottom. You don't have to worry about it yellowing and stuff. But yeah, these are fire. $150. Okay, so they are on sale. That's what's up. $150. These have been on sale at quite a few places too. Yeah, $140 for these. The shoot, what the heck is this called? The gold cement? I don't know. But yeah, gold, black cement gold. I don't know. Then got the elevates. If you need to be a little taller, they do got these bad boys. $100. $100, and this is what the neutral gray. And it's a white gray. Yeah. Got some suede on it too. Oh, and they made it where, hey, there's a wing outline, but there's no actual wing on the back. That's funny. And then almost ignored the 13s. Got plenty of 13s. Been seeing these come back lately, which is interesting because they didn't these originally sold out, and then some stores have been having the men's size lately. All right, let's go check out a couple more shops. Only the second time I've worn these, and the shoe cleaner guys are already telling me, hey, they want to clean them. I'm like, what? These ain't even dirty, fools. All right, hitting up this Footlocker. Let's see what's up. A lot of spots been having some really good deals on Vans. Got some old schools. Yeah, old schools right here. Checker ones. You know, these normally go for $75, so got a little discount on them. A little discount, not too crazy. The materials that they use on these are so nice. It's canvas on the sides, on the toe box, and the heel cup right here. It is suede. And yeah, they use some good stuff on it, man. Use some good stuff. Are we starting to see the MB2s on sale? That's insane. Remember how popular the MB1s were? But that's how it goes. Sneakers were at an all-time high. Now they're going back to normal. Now us longtime sneaker collectors, we've, you know, getting back to how it used to be. Does have his stats on the back right there. That's pretty cool. Is that for his rookie season? Pretty decent rookie season stats. He's also flashy as hell, which is pretty dope. I just realized, I saw this a while back. This is for the ones, and it's just now releasing, and this is an MB1, and they're doing throwbacks already? Like, what the hell? Okay. I don't know why I missed that last time I saw it. Some of y'all were probably looking at the screen like, what the hell? Why didn't he notice? My bad. And then these on sale too. Crazy. Did show the sneakers that I'm wearing, but yeah, these are the Infinity Run Flyknit 3s that I did get for what, $30? I think I paid like $32, $31, something like that. Hella cheap. And it does match my Lakers gear. And then wearing my Mitchell and Ness shorts that I got for what, $20 or something. And then hoodie that came cheap too. That's what's up. I was gonna say, hey, this is my budget outfit, but I think all my outfits tend to be more budgety. It's the sneakers that I'll spend money on, but like shorts and stuff like that, I usually look for stuff on sale, because there's no point in paying retail, because, you know, we find all this stuff for cheap. I don't know what Converse model these are. Apparently they're not a Chuck, but yeah, these are here. They're here. They're on sale. Normally $70 down to $30. A pretty decent deal. What is this? Panda Dunk on some drugs or something? What the hell? Where did that Volt colorway come from? Where did that Volt? This does seem like better material than the regular. Never mind. Look at that toe box. It looks so plasticky. Never mind. But hey, some Dunks. Got a million of them. Out. $125. All right, starting to see Gel Light 3s on sale. This is dope because I do like this model. Normally $130 down to $100. Hopefully they continue to fall. And this is the way things used to be. Like stuff that's not super hyped used to always be on sale. Retail shops, outlets, man, we used to be able to find all kinds of deals. I think we're getting back to that. These Noosas got tons of flavor, super light too. Normally $130 down to $100. All kinds of flavor on them. They still make the Quantum Gel 360s. I didn't know that. Do have a couple of pair of these. They're like 10, 12 years old, still holding up really well. They have like a Flyknit type of material on top. This one's more of like a synthetic mesh. But yeah, $110. These are comfortable. They're heavy though, because they do have tons of gel on them. They're heavy. The On Cloud company, they've been coming in strong. They've been having a lot of running events and stuff like that. They've been selling a lot of these. They were originally just found at Shoe Palace, and now they have them at all the stores. Look at all the On Cloud stuff. Have you ever tried these? I don't know. The nephews that I got, they went to a running place, a running shoe store, and this is what they recommended to them. So that's kind of interesting that they were pushing that. I was like, usually when that happens, sometimes it has to do with them trying to push a certain brand and stuff, because, you know, it's a newer brand. But I don't know. Have you guys tried these? Looks like that's their max cushion one. Then they have like their speed ones right here, a little less cushioning. $150 for these On Cloud 5 Push. These are called the Cloud Monsters. Okay. Never messed with those. Never tried them on, to be honest. We saw these last week. Do got the Trey Youngs. And the training tees mostly. Got the Rose, D-Rose right there, and the Gills. Dude, got the Gills. I did buy one. And we'll see that in the upcoming video because I'm pushing that back to get you guys this video. But yeah, I'm a fan of that one right there. I do like the material on that one too. All right, we got one more store. Do got a finish line. Let's go see what they got here. We might check out one more store actually after. All right, we've seen all these, the paninis. Kind of the same sales they had last week. The answers, the questions. Got the curries, the budget curries on sale. But this is all stuff that we did for last week. Got the, got the immortalities right here on sale. But yeah, I'm not really seeing anything new. Still got the dunks. I was wondering if they had the Panda Lows here because I saw them at Northridge yesterday, and I did put that in the shorts. I hope you guys are watching the shorts. They did say they got the 11s here as well. Oh, he was pointing this way. I was like, why is he pointing this way? They do got the 11s here, full family sizing. In the grade school section, you got the Marshards, the 6s, some mids, playoff 13s. All right, let's go. We're gonna wrap it up. Let's go check out lids. I rarely ever check them out when they're not having their semi-annual clearance sale, but let's go check them out. All right, this is one of the smaller lids. Oh, let's see what's up here. This back section, it does seem like they still have a few things, $20 and even under. And do got the Doyer hats with the shadow right there. Kind of interesting. Pro standard snapbacks go for $25. These normally go for what, $45, $50, $40. I don't know about you, but I'm not into like all these weird colors, you know, like they have like series of like hats where all the hats have the same color. Like they'll do all the teams in the same color, kind of weird, but that's what's popular right now. $50, are you serious? $50 for that. They do have some dope embroiderings on the side, but still $50. This is down to $30. Last few hats have been fitted hats. Got a USA one right there. $25 for this one. This is a snapback. Got Lakers fitted hats going for $15, so you still can't find deals during the off season. It looks like Clippers hats going for $25. That's a snap. This one is a fitted hat right there. You got more fitted hats. These are going for $30. I think I have this. No, I don't have this one at home. Never mind. $25 for this one. Fitted hat. These are fitted New Eras. Mitchell and S snapback right here for $25. Another one right here. Clippers hats. $15 for that snapback. And then this one, $10 right here. The Gamecocks going for $10. Globetrotters for $20. And then Atlanta Hawks snapback on $15. Raiders fitted hats for $20. These are New Era hats, a faded looking one. I know it's supposed to be like that, but it looks faded. $30 for that one. Got Rams hats going for $30, $20. So that's like a youth. That's pretty much a youth right there. $25 for that fitted one. $30 for that fitted. Got beanies. Beanies going for $5. Is that oh, that's a Captain America one. I don't see any sports themed ones. Is it? No, that's just a regular champion. But yeah, $5. Can't really beat that. So they do got stuff on sale. Like I said, I usually hit them up during the semi-annual clearance sales for their jerseys and stuff. Curly hats going for $15, but not much else. They don't have that much apparel here. They do have some jerseys up top. And of course, jerseys all regular price. They got a Jordan one, I think. Pippen. And they got some McCaffrey ones. Okay. They do have LeBron jerseys. LeBron jerseys, $84. Okay. Cool. Got a few sizes. All right, but that's about it. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that was Jordan release day. Them Jordan 11s, they look nice. I know some people are iffy about that baby blue on it, university blue, but I'm good with it. I thought they looked dope. Just not getting them because I got way too much stuff, and I've been buying way too much stuff. Maybe if I find it at the outlets, maybe if I find it at the clearance store, maybe. Speaking of the outlets, hope you guys are hitting up the outlets this weekend. Herein there are some crazy deals. Some of y'all been finding 20% off entire purchase on top of an extra 30% off, that type of stuff. If they do have a deal where you get 20% off, 30% off entire purchase, you can stack those deals with other deals. But I went to Long Beach, I went to Torrance, I went to Watts. I did not see any of those deals anywhere. Someone mentioned on Thursday that they saw that at East LA, so maybe that's going on there. I'm hearing online that a lot of places are having that 20% off entire purchase deal, as well as like 30% off the back, all that type of stuff. I haven't seen it myself, but you know, plenty of people are reporting it, so it does seem to have some credibility. Definitely should hit up the outlets near you guys to see if they have that deal. If not, you know, maybe you can find something anyway. We'll see. But yeah, make sure you guys hit up the outlets. Hopefully you guys can find something. The Jordan 11s, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And you know, it is what it is. We'll have plenty more videos coming. Video every day, that's my goal. And yeah, make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. I got plenty videos coming. And yeah, stay tuned, because you know, hopefully I can help you guys find some videos. I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.